Hi everyone, my name is Billy Goldstein. I'm a board member and vice president of the Children's Brain Tumor Foundation, and I'm also the proud father of 4 children, including Jacob, who is a brain tumor survivor and is now a happy and healthy 17-year-old boy. This morning I'm going to show you how to make a simple egg and cheese omelet. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learned something new. Come along. First, we're going to start heating up some oil. In this case, I'm going to use some canola oil over medium heat on a non-stick pan. I'm just going to put a drop of this and I'm going to let it warm up. While that is warming up, we're going to chop our onion. And here's the technique that I'm going to use for the onion. I'm going to use about a half an onion. This is just a plain yellow onion or white onion, but you can use Vidalia or any other type of onion. So to chop an onion, get rid of this piece here, and then I'm going to slowly cut about halfway through the onion. Then I'm going to turn the onion 90 degrees, and I'm going to do the same thing. This is the best way to chop onion. Notice that nothing is falling apart. Then we put it here. Watch your fingers. Voila. Perfectly sliced onions. And we're going to throw in the onions. And we're going to keep moving the onions to make sure that they get sauteed, but not burned. You want to make sure that they're just becoming a little bit brown, which will just take a couple of minutes. While the onions are sauteing, we're going to take our eggs. In this case, I'm going to use whole eggs, and we're going to start beating them and getting them ready. Here's what we do. Importantly, I put a little bit of milk. What the milk does, and this is really just basically 1 tablespoon of milk. What the milk is going to do is it's going to make sure that the eggs come out nice and fluffy. While the onions are finishing up, I'm going to actually prepare my tomatoes. Make sure your fingers are out of the way, the tip of your fingers. Now that the onions are done perfectly, we're going to take them out. We're going to need them in just a couple of minutes. We're going to coat the bottom of the pan with just a little bit of butter. And we're going to put in our eggs. Now the fact that we put cheese on both sides will make sure that as the cheese melts, it acts like a glue that keeps our omelet close together. I actually like to add a little bit of fruit as well. And if you like. And that's how you make a simple and delicious egg and cheese omelet with some vegetables and fruit. I'm sure that yours would come out a lot better than mine once you try it. Again, my name is Billy Goldstein. I'm a board member with the Children's Brain Tumor Foundation and a proud father of a brain tumor survivor. Please donate and support everything the CBTF does. Please do it now. Please don't delay. You will be supporting a phenomenal cause. Thank you very much.